Well, John, I would say we're probably 50-50 split. We were just talking about game
Right.
show chances. So
Right.
to use that,
Probabilities.
50-50 chance that people that you're going to like. Some people are going to like this cooler weather.
Right.
Some are not.
Right. Well, 100% chance that somebody's going to like the weather because it's going to be both cold and it's going to be warm.
Okay, so you get your pick.
You just saw the S&P was up. Well, so are our temperatures.
Okay.
So they're going to be up again tomorrow. So we
Feeling
get a
it.
couple more days of above average temperatures and then the big cool down.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a coming. Today we were above average once again, not as bad as we were. As bad. I'm sorry, I don't mean to offer my opinion on whether warm weather or cold weather is good or bad. But it is not as warm today as it was not as warm today as it was yesterday. We're at 81 degrees for a high temperature today. The average is 72. So again, on the warm side, obviously, but so was the morning low at 63, the average 52. So we're about 10 degrees above average, going about 10 degrees above average. Nothing like the 86 that we have had in the past couple of days. But nevertheless, on the warm side, right now we're at 69. Dew point values are still high. They're still high enough to produce fog. We're at 64-degree dew point. With calm winds out there, I think it's pretty likely that we're going to see some dense fog form. Now, the further north you go, the more likely it is to encounter some fog. But I think around our area, especially in inland areas, you're likely to see some patches of dense fog tomorrow morning. Wauchula at 70, so's Parrish, Bradenton at 71, Lakewood Ranch, Mayaca City, Arcadia, Venice, and Inglewood all the same. So's Longboat Key. 73 degrees in Northport, and Punta Gorda comes in at 70 as well. Now, we've kind of moistened our atmosphere a little bit. We have a little bit of cloud cover out there, but I think the cloud cover will give way to clearer skies. The combination of clear skies and calm winds is kind of setting the stage perfectly for the potential of fog formation. Titan radar not showing a lot of action right now. A lot of what you see here is not reaching the ground. Some of it is, though, and we do have some showers in progress down around the Fort Myers region. We also have that stalled frontal boundary located just to our north. And as we mentioned yesterday, the impact of that on our weather was to push the high pressure ridge further to the south over us and give us calmer, lighter winds. Again, another little aspect that is kind of an ingredient necessary to produce fog. Now, if you look at the radar imagery showing where the snow is falling, you can kind of trace out a line of snow around the Dakotas and then stretching back into the Pacific Northwest. Cold air sinking southward there, producing some snow showers. Also some snow showers on the other coast. Lake effect snows mostly. But if you look at the evolution of the snows over the next several days, you'll see that maybe for the ball drop, you might have a few areas of maybe some freezing rain, maybe a few snowflakes in downtown Manhattan. Most likely just kind of cold drizzle, though, with temperatures in the 30s for the ball drop. Also, back to the Pacific Northwest, some snow falling there with some pretty good accumulations at higher elevations particularly. That's the next cold front coming our way. That one sinks southward, kind of teams up with the one that's stalled out over us and departs. And as that front moves through, we get a chance at some sprinkles or showers Thursday night into Friday morning, but it's not a great chance. About 20% chance. Well, once that front moves through, watch out. Cooler temperatures will be on the way. Watch the cold air sink southward over the next several days. And you can see that by Friday, our area is going to experience about a 20-degree drop in temperatures compared to where we were just yesterday. North wind coming in at about 5 knots, increasing to 10 knots tomorrow afternoon out of the west as the sea breeze builds again. Thursday night, 20% chance of showers. Friday, breezy with a high of only 65, if that. But then we warm back up over the weekend. So a little something for everyone.